Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. We need to multiply with e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. First, we need to use about substitution. So we put about u equals to e to the power of s du. You will go about e to the power of s ds. This one, you will got about 1 plus u square. This one we change for u. E to the power of s with ds in here. We change for du. Next, we need to use about trigonometric. Substitution. So, we put about u equal to tan t. Du, you got about secant of t square dt. About u, we change for tan t. Du, we change for this one. This one in here, we change for the square root of secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, you got about secant of t. With secant of t square, you got about the power 3. And we put about tan t. Next, we have secant of t, that's about 1 over cosine t. Tan t, we need to change into sine t over cosine t. So this one, we change for 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. About tan t on the denominator, that should be about sine t over cosine t, just like this. And we simplify with cosine t and cosine t. We know that number 1, that's about cosine t square plus sine t square. Now we simplify cosine t square, divide with cosine t square, and sine t square we simplify with sine t. So we have two fractions in here. The first one, that's about 1 over sine t. And this one, you got about sine t over cosine t to the power of 2. So this one, we know that this is about cosecant of t. The integral of cosecant of t, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. The last one, we can use about substitution. I will put about z equals to cosine t. dz you got about negative sine t dt. But we don't have the negative in here, so we put the negative next to dz. So this one we change for cosine t square, we change for z. This one we change for negative dz. I just put negative in here. And then we got about 1 over z plus c. And z, that's about cosine t. Now we combine two results together, and we got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cosine t plus 1 over cosine t plus c. Now let's go to t. That's it about this one. So we've got about u equal to r tan t equal to r tan of u. So we put this one in here. About u, this is about e to the power of s, so I just replace in here too. And this is the final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.